Alright guys, so today what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start cutting the wheel wells. I just gotta get that one fender off on one side. So I'm gonna cut these wheel wells off. I just gotta get my fender that way I don't mess it up, damage it, whatever. I'm gonna start doing that, and then I'm gonna start doing this side. This fender's off. I just got a bolt, 2 bolts holding it. That's off. And then it's gonna be cut time. I still gotta figure out where exactly I'm gonna cut it. And from what I'm getting to, I believe I'm gonna cut it right against this crease right here, pretty much. And I'm actually weld it a little higher, weld it up here, and it's gonna go across and down. This is gonna be a flat sheet right here where the battery tray's at. And it's gonna be the same thing here. I'm gonna do a flat sheet and curve it around straight flat on the side. So hopefully at the end of it, it's gonna be nice. I'll be back with y'all here in a little bit. Alright, well my battery's almost dead, so I'm gonna try to show y'all. Alright, so I'm gonna show y'all where I'm actually cut, and up to where I'm gonna actually put the fenders, which are sitting over there somewhere. They're sitting right there. But I'm gonna cut about, I would say about ½ an inch down from this line right here. And if you look inside, I don't know if there's enough light. Where's that light at, Alvin? Right here. Right up there. Right where I'm flashing that light. That's the layer from the actual strut tower. I'm actually cut right below that line. It's sitting right there. Just that line right there. I'm gonna cut that all the way to the edge over here. About, I would say about right here. So that's what I'm gonna do now. My battery's actually almost dead, so I gotta get a battery. But I believe they're both dead, so I'm gonna have to charge it. So y'all might not see it. I'll just update y'all once I get done with it. Alright guys, so I got the hole cut. Alright, so basically the tub's gonna go right here. And what I did is what I told y'all. I cut right at that lip on the back side, all the way across. So it's pretty much completely straight all the way across. And then right here, I cut right to that hump, right over that hump. Went straight down, all the way down to right here where it connects again. Went straight across, and I stopped right here, right at the, like at the beginning of the battery tray. You can see where the plate actually is at. It was like, battery tray started like right here, so I cut a little section off. Literally, I'm gonna go straight across with the tub. So I'll show y'all here in a second. I'm gonna get this tub, see if I can get it cut a little bit, at least in shape, so y'all can get an idea of what I'm doing. Alright, so what I ended up doing, I just got a piece of cardboard, and I just kept cutting it until I got that perfect angle. Let me get it to focus. It ain't really focusing. Alright, so yeah, basically I just cut it right here where the cut's at, and I kept cutting the cardboard until I got that perfect cut. So basically all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna transfer it onto here. Pretty much we've got a rough estimate to where we're gonna need it. So literally I'm just gonna have to cut it right there. That's pretty much it, literally. That's what I'm gonna do. You might have to, so I'll get back with y'all here in a little bit once I get it cut. pretty much got it for the most part, y'all. I don't know if it'll focus.
Trial and error.
Alright. So, literally says right up against it. And so I cut this corner. This corner is gonna actually kind of like blend in into the tub itself, or the strut tower. And this corner I still gotta finish. I still gotta cut that. I'm basically gonna cut it. And then from the inside, basically once I cut it, then I'm gonna bend it towards right here, where this is at, and weld it right there. And then I gotta get a sheet metal and weld it down to this hole. Basically fill it in. Let me get around the other side so y'all can see. Basically, yeah, like that. So I'm gonna cut this, weld it to that, and then I'm gonna get one sheet metal and finish it off. This one I had, and it was already cut, so there's not enough metal on there to for it to reach, which that one should reach. If not, I'll probably end up doing the same thing, but it's gonna look good. That's that. Oh yeah, and then the sheet metal down here with the battery tray, I'm just gonna run a flat sheet. And this side's gonna be the same thing. You see, the reason I wanted to do it is because it's all damaged right here. So that's why I'm doing it. Oh yeah. Like I even said, I mean, for y'all that don't know, y'all like, oh, what's that? Where the hell's this battery? My battery's actually relocated in the truck. And I got a power wire, which is sticking right there. Which I'm gonna run a new one, because that one's kind of shit. And then basically it just goes up here, supplies power to the fuse box. And then the starter alternator. And that's basically what that's gonna be. So literally I'll have the sheets right here. And then I'll have just one hole on this side and one hole on that side for my intercooler. So it's gonna be cool. It's gonna be cool. Okay, so actually just a sneak peek so y'all can see what's going into the paint. I got it right here. So that's metallic flake, 0.015. That's actually the thickness of it. But it's a purple flake, so it's gonna be cool. And I'm actually, it's not gonna be purple, it's gonna be a different color. It's gonna have the flake in it though. So y'all see when it gets closer to that time. I still got a lot I gotta do, but me and I have been working for a couple hours already, trying to knock this out. Alright, so I don't have my little stand thing, so I gotta actually hold my camera over here. But for today, I guess that's probably gonna be it. I don't know, me and Ivan might work on it a little bit longer, I'm not sure. But yeah, I mean, y'all keep following me, y'all subscribe, y'all share it if y'all want, I really don't care. Was it Fridays? Fridays we work on my car, Saturdays we work on Ivan's. So tomorrow we'll be working on his engine again, which is the Datsun motor. So we'll be doing that tomorrow for a little while. Today, I think we're pretty much done. We've been at it. Regardless, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all later.
Comment, subscribe.